Today I'm making such an easy salad that I almost didn't video it. I'm using up some of the fruit that I have on hand and making a light, refreshing fruit salad. Now this is just fruit and juices. It doesn't have any other dressings or cream fillings or anything on it. It's just a light and refreshing salad. The ingredients I have on hand are strawberries. I had a few blueberries yet to use. I have some kiwi. I have an orange. I'm going to use the juice of a lemon. And then I have a can of chunk pineapple. You can also use fresh. You can use a lot of different fresh fruits that you may have on hand. So let's get started and put this together. I'm going to start by washing all of my fruit. So I'm just going to rinse off the strawberries and the blueberries. I'm going to go through and cut my strawberries into bite-sized pieces. I mean, how many times do you need just like a quick summer salad? This could be just even for breakfast or brunch. Just keep it as a snack in the refrigerator. Especially when fruit is in season, there's nothing better than just light, like a light, refreshing fruit cup. You can also use this in a lot of different desserts. Use it as a topping for angel food cake. Have it with some whipped cream. I only had a few blueberries, but it'll add some nice color and flavor. Now, ideally, your kiwi is going to be kind of soft. The softer they are, the sweeter they are, but they have such a beautiful color. You can cut those however you like. You can cut them in halves or quarters or just leave them in rounds. If you have grapes, green or red grapes go wonderful with this salad. I have a can of pineapple. I'm going to strain the juice off and keep the juice. That's good just to drink. And this is pineapple in pineapple juice. So strain that really well through a fine mesh strainer. Keep the juice. Just add that right in. That is a thick-skinned orange. Kind of go along the sections. Cut out the orange. This is just an orange that I needed to use up, but it's still good. I'm just going to add that right in. The juice of about a half of a lemon that I had. Lemon is such a summery flavor, it just brightens any salad up. And that's really all there is to it. Give it a nice toss. And look at that beautiful, fresh salad. Like I say, you can add just about any kind of fruit you have. I've added cantaloupe before, grapes, any kind of berries you have. Just use your imagination. Fresh or even canned. Other mix-ins you could do, you could do nuts if you like. You could do coconut. Now I'm not going to get into the marshmallows and the Cool Whip and all of that, although it would probably be very good. You could certainly do that. I like a nice fresh salad without too many mix-ins. So if that's what you like, this salad is for you. You can make it into a dessert, add a little whipped cream, and there you go. So let's do a taste test. That's so sweet and fresh. It doesn't even need the whipped cream. This is an easy, delicious summer salad. I really hope you make it. And use your imagination. Use the fruits you like. Comment down below and let me know what you like to put in your fruit salad. We'll see you next time.